Hi guys, this is Creativity Unstoppable and today I'm back with one more unboxing video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Razer Viper Mini mouse, and I think this is a pretty good mouse. So let's get started. Okay, so let's unbox the Razer mouse. And as you can see, the title is Razer Viper Mini and a nice good logo on the left side. Looking pretty good. The packaging is really good. And you can see it says Razer Chroma RGB, and Razer says it supports 16.8 million colors. That's a lot. Wow. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open it. Okay, so we have removed the taping. Let's open the box. Oh, what does it say? For gamers, by gamers. Such a good tagline. Although I won't game much on this. Actually, I would say it's a pretty good mouse for daily uses as well as heavy uses. So if you like my videos, give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing. Okay, a nice small manual. Oh wow, such an amazing sticker. Just look at it. So shiny. There's a RGB look, I guess. A sticker with RGB? That's totally awesome. I mean, this is the best sticker I've ever seen on earth. Okay, let's see what's inside the manual. Okay, parts of the mouse and some other instructions on how to use it. And it says maximize your device with Razer Synapse 3. So I guess we can customize our mouse using Razer Synapse 3 properly and like adjust its RGB modes and profiles, etc. Okay, it's product ID. Okay. Nice manual. Let's move on. Finally, here we have the mouse. So excited to open it. Let's just unbox it. Okay. Nice anti-dust packaging, I guess. Oh, the wires wrapped inside this. Okay, let's open it. Throw the box away. We don't need it, right? Okay, so let's unbox this now. Oh, it says Razer on top of the USB cable. Oh yeah, it is. Does it have a braided cable? Oh yeah, it does. That's pretty nice, right? So it's pretty strong. Oh nice, such an amazing mouse. Just look at it, don't you think? It's so lightweight and it has a sensor at the back. 8500 DPI they say. Let's try to click. Okay, the cable is also pretty long. Okay, 8500 DPI, yeah, they mention it over here at the back of the mouse. Okay, let me try to click. Pretty awesome, lightweight and comfortable. And they say it has a ambidextrous design. So if you are left-hander or right-hander, it does not matter. This mouse will suit to your needs. Okay, so many buttons. Amazing. Side buttons as well. And it has a pretty decent plastic quality. And it does not feel like it will break really easily. So that was a good unboxing. So guys, here we are in the Razer Synapse 3, and this is the Chroma Studio where you can customize your mouse using different color modes and RGB modes. And I'll be showing you many RGB modes available in this Chroma Studio. One of them is breathing, like it just decreases and increases the color brightness and intensity, and you can stack many colors at one time, this so it looks like really colorful. This is the audio meter, it reacts to your system audio. And moving on, next we have fire, and this looks like a flame, as if a flame is burning inside your mouse. That looks pretty good, right? Okay, this is reactive, like when you click it will react to your clicks and your keyboard clicks. And if you're tired of stacking colors up, you can just make a group and arrange all these into the group. You can move all these into the group, and then you can create many groups as well, right? Okay, moving on. This is the ripple. This is almost same as reactive, but you can choose multiple colors at once. So this is the spectrum cycling, and this is the default mode. And what happens here is it cycles through all of the colors available in the RGB. And yeah, that's pretty much. And this is the starlight mode. I don't know what does it do, but in between you get to see some colorful lights. Okay, and next, moving on, we have the static mode. Now you can choose a solid color over here, any color of your choice, and it will change to that color. So if you don't like any moving RGB, you can just stick to this. And here is my favorite, the wave mode. It will cycle through all of the colors really fast, and it will make it look like a wave. And lastly, we have this wheel. It spins like a Newton wheel. And if you want to hear the mouse, how does it sound like while clicking? So here's the audio, listen to it carefully. So guys, that's pretty much all for this video. If you liked my mouse, comment below. And if you like this video, drop down a like. So that's all for today guys. Meet you guys in the next video. Bye guys.